Hello everyone, I'm Gabrielle Alexis and today I'll be creating a Queen of the Sea look. My inspiration for this look came from my passion for editorial makeup and glam makeup.
Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can fight it, but the Lord knows it ain't wise if you try it.
Next I'll be applying primer, foundation, and cream contour to structure my face.
Big man, you can size it. Never been a local sidekick. Never. Primary gave man a sidekick. Car showed in the line, they still tried it.
And now it's time for the crown.
Never been a local side pick. Never. One chick thought she'd defy it, but the Lord knows she herself was a side chick.
First I'll be outlining the crown and then adding a black shadow to give it more dimension. Now I'll be filling in the crown using a silver face paint.
Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can fight it, but the Lord knows it ain't wise if you try it. Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can fight it, but the Lord knows it ain't wise if you try it. To finish off the crown, I will be adding gemstones all over my forehead. Young OG, here I be that. You can find me where the P's at, or around better girl, cause you know I need that. I'm the maddest of the baddest, where a brother gets to rage, you know I'm savage. Always need something to kill, you know it's habit. Know a brother got a lot, no I don't have none.
For today's look, I'll be creating a black smoky eye with blue shimmers.
Right, yeah. Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can fight it, but the Lord knows it ain't wise if you try it. Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can size it. Big man, you can fight it, but the Lord knows it ain't wise if you try it.
Next, I'll be adding a blue glitter liner to make the look pop. Now I'll be adding a black liner and lashes to give the eyes a more dramatic look.
It's a big man thing, so I aim for a big man win. We do time for a big man sin. If another man thinks he a big man, him man.
Now for the lips, I'll be applying a dark blue metallic lipstick. To make my face stand out even more, I'll be applying a black and gray shadow to my neck and chest. And then I'll be adding glitter and more highlighter to finish off this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow us, and I'll see you next time.